Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And this time I'm going to make a travel journal in my traveler's notebook from my trip to Ireland. And we had absolutely a lovely holiday. It was, Ireland is famous of its rainy weather. But honestly to say, we didn't had a big drop. We didn't had rain. We had slightly, it was some humid, but you can't say it was rain. And I took already some pictures of the country. This is Ireland from a very old map. And we went the first part. We went to the south, to above Cork. There is Kerry, and with the Killarney National Park, and we went there, and that was absolutely beautiful. We had there, of course, lovely walks, and we had sun. We had absolutely sun, and we could sit outside. That was lovely. I'd never been to Ireland before. I went to. You're always going to compare the country with other countries, and of course it looks a bit like Scotland or Wales, even Norway, but it's different. There are more sheep than people. This I printed out of my ticket. This is from the KLM, the Royal Dutch Airlines, and this says Amsterdam, Dublin. I found out that it was 8 years ago that I flew for the last time, so that's long as well. And of course this last years with the Corona COVID crisis, it was very difficult to fly anyway. And Ireland is absolutely beautiful. If you have the chance, go visit it. And we went, what I said, the first part to Kerry and Killarney National Park. And then where is the drop? I searched for the drop of the glue. And we had a travel day to the north, and in that day we visited the cliffs of Moher. And the cliffs of Moher is the attraction of Ireland, and it's absolutely stunning. There are cliffs from 300 meters above sea level, rising up. And that's incredible to see, and I'm going to try to draw them. And we had cloudy day. We had during our trip to the cliffs a little bit of rain, but when we were there, it was already dry. And at the cliffs of Moher, there is a part of the movie from Harry Potter taken over there, and it's absolutely stunning. If you ever go there, it's the must-see attraction of Ireland, so you can't miss it. I'm going to use soft pastel pencils to give it color. And the cliffs have different colors. They are black, brown, a little bit of green sometimes when there is a possibility there is some grass growing, and there are also the feeding spots for birds. So it's quite impressive. And it was slightly crowded, not too many visitors at the moment we were there. It was not high season, luckily. This is what I like so much about these pencils. And of course I can do it with my finger, but I tried that several times, and sometimes I forget to take a tissue, but the color is not coming off of my finger very easily. The color is a little bit too light, so I'm trying to make it a bit darker. And we liked the food as well in Ireland. They have lovely sandwiches for lunch, and very nice scones. The scones are absolutely different than in Great Britain. There they have clotted cream, and they don't serve them with clotted cream. They just have ordinary cream, but ordinary cream isn't clotted cream. So I prefer the English ones. They tasted very well, but I prefer the English ones. And I have a very good recipe to make them myself. So sometimes I make them, of course, myself. This is you can't see it, but there is a little difference, a little bit of yellow between the grass. These were the tickets from the cliffs of Moher, and you only buy a parking ticket, and only the adults in the car are counted for entry, but there is no entry at all. It's just a parking ticket. So it depends how many adults are in the car. A little bit of more shade so that it makes it a bit better. If you start drawing, I think it's always difficult when to stop and when not to stop. And of course I forgot the air. A little bit of blue. And it's always weird. They drive for me on the wrong side of the road, on the left side. My husband drove all that time, but we had a rented car, so everything was in the opposite side as well. Well, that was hilarious as well, because every time you step to the wrong door, and if you want to give the signing, then you use the things for the rain on the windows. It was funny every time we drove. But it went well. It's very easy, and it's not crowded on the road, so that's good. I try a little bit dots more, and this is not the end of the story. We were traveling through the north, so I will make a second travel journal to the north as well. So you will see that next time. And if you like this video, please give a like. And I hope to see you for the second part. Okay, bye bye.